friends, today we'll learn how to create sales invoice. So there are three ways from where you can create sales invoice. The very first is on dashboard. Click on this plus button. Here you'll find an option for creating sales invoice. The second option is if you go into party tab, click on any particular party for which you want to create a sales invoice. So in my case, I want to create sales invoice for party Air Chemicals. Below you'll find an option for creating sales invoice. The third option, if you go into report section, click on my entries, then go into sales invoice. Click on this plus button, then fill all of the details here. Enter your ledger name, your party name here, then select sales ledger, then voucher number. So if you have set voucher number setting as auto numbering in your tally, then here you will not be able to enter voucher number. But if you have kept it as manual, then you can add voucher number here. Select date of invoice, then add item to your invoice. Select item name, then select go down from where you want to ship your item. Add quantity. Then if you want to add discount to it, you can add it from here. Then click on done. Also, if you want to add ledgers such as round off, transport charges, commission, etc., then you can add it from here. Click on add ledger. Select your ledger here. Let's say I want to add transport charges to it. Then add amount here. And click on add ledger. So if you see here, my transport charges is added. Further, if you want to add narration to it, you can enter it here. And if you have enabled the location setting, then you can get the location details. Also the name of the salesperson who has created this invoice. Then click on the save button and the invoice is successfully created. As you can see, it is into a pending state as of now. This is because it is not synced with your tally. Once you on your tally on your system, it will sync automatically and then you'll find your entry into success tab. There are few settings which you can enable as per your use case. The most commonly asked questions are how to choose item rate while creating an invoice. So you can select option for item rate. You can select your rate as per last sale rate, last purchase rate or standard rate, or if you want rate as per your price list, then you can select it from here. The second one is if you want to add rate with tax, you can enable this field. So while entering rate, it will come with your tax. So it allows you to enter rate with GST tax. By this we are almost done with creating sales invoice. Thank you.